So every Sunday, my family gets together for lunch, which is mostly an excuse for everyone to judge my potato salad and for my Uncle Dave to show up with something weird. Last week, it was a collection of vintage spatulas, don't ask, but this week he arrived with a helmet, a digital caliper, and a stack of deli meats that would make a butcher weep. Uncle Dave announced, "I'm in training for the sandwich stacking regional qualifiers, which, as far as I can tell, is not a real thing." My mom just sighed and made a note to move the breakables. At first, it seemed harmless. He commandeered the kitchen table, muttering about load-bearing lettuce and non-slip mayo. By the time we were all sitting down, he was constructing what looked less like a sandwich and more like an edible game of Jenga. My cousin tried to sneak a piece of cheese and was told, "That's a keystone component. Remove it and the whole thing collapses. Respect the process." We all decided it was safer to just watch. The sandwich grew taller and more unstable, with Dave pausing every few layers to measure angles and check for shear stress. He rejected a slice of tomato for being structurally unsound and insisted on using toothpicks only as temporary scaffolding. My aunt actually tried to offer him gluten-free bread, and he responded by giving a TED Talk on the essential role of carbohydrate torsion in sandwich engineering. Meanwhile, the rest of us quietly ate our food, occasionally ducking for cover as a rogue pickle threatened to topple the whole project. Finally, with a triumphant flourish, he placed the top bun and declared the sandwich architecturally complete. He then turned to my mom and asked if she had any dietary restrictions for next week. Without missing a beat, he added, "Because I'll need to know if I should avoid using rye bread with poor structural integrity." And that's the story of how, in our family, structural integrity became the newest dietary restriction, right after no shellfish and light on the onions.